Come Shen's Big World 20 time. Guess what? We're trying Dairy Queen Blizzards. I'm getting the Oreo one. What are you getting, Mom?
I'm getting the chocolate dipped strawberry.
And what is Dad getting if he cleaned up that poop?
Chocolate chip cookie dough.
Yep, and if he did, and we'll both eat it.
You got my
we'll
phone?
share. Yeah. Alright, here we go. I was just looking and see where we were on the maps for directions to Dairy Queen. Well, I can't believe I'm going to be having Dairy Queen again. This is really exciting. Well, my first time.
I was going to say we meet again.
Yeah.
Alright, here, get ready for me to hand it to you.
I'm going to close my eyes because I'm really excited to see what it looks like. Here we go. Just hand it to me. I promise I'll put it in this so I can see.
You gotta just wait a minute. Okay?
Okay.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, thanks.
Alright guys, you're about to see my Oreo Blizzard. You can see it first. I'll close my eyes. 3, 2, and 1.
You are so excited.
Yeah. Or tell me when it's time.
Thank you. No, I'm good. Thank you, though. Thank you. Hold on, sweets. Thank you. Ooh, look at that.
What is...
It's an Oreo Blizzard. Can you believe?
It looks like a mini one.
It does. Cookie dough. Thank you. All right, there's Dad's.
Yep, there's my Blizzard,
And I'm
guys.
ready. Thanks so much. Have a good night. Thanks.
It says a school closing snow day for your mouth. Oh boy.
I like that spoon.
Did you get a spoon? I needed a spoon for this.
Oh, we got to go down this way.
See, that's what it looks like in the Oreo Blizzard. Yeah, sorry. I don't know what happened.
Right.
Maybe if I unplug the phone, it won't have to worry about doing this. Sorry.
I was going to say, are you charging?
Yeah. I think I can handle 20% battery. I think in 5 minutes I'll probably be done. It just smells like an Oreo McFlurry, guys.
Well, we only got spoons.
Well, we can deal with the spoons. Give me a spoon to me.
All right, hold on. Let me get through this light first. Everybody coming. Woo-hoo!
Can we eat at a parking lot?
No, we're going in. We're going home, sweetheart.
Oh, yeah.
I gotta hurry up and get dinner before we got scouts. Here, wait a minute.
Yeah, we got scouts today, guys.
Here, napkins, because I know you'll need it.
Yep, a school closing snow day.
I guess it's so thick you can't have a straw, huh?
Yeah.
I can't wait to try it.
Yeah, you try first.
I can't. I'm trying
Well,
it. You try it. See how yours is. See if you like it.
It really tastes like an Oreo McFlurry from McDonald's.
Oh, okay. So it's good? You like it?
Yeah.
If we get a stoplight, I'm gonna try to sneak a bite.
Bird mouth, snow day today. Schools are closed. Shannon O'Brien's mouth.
Choo choo choo. We got break. Remember, we gotta leave a little bit early.
That's pretty
So I
darn
can be
good.
at the ATM. Hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, so we got time. Heat up those leftover chicken stuff. I think I'm gonna have mine like a sandwich. Oh no, because I'm gonna make mashed potatoes. Oh no, I'm not. I'm leaving that for the other chicken. That's right. So yeah, they're gonna have a sandwich or make some rice.
I got this one from Baskin Robbins. When Grandma Pat had Baskin Robbins strawberry shake.
Oh yeah, I forgot you had your water.
Yeah. Good Oreo pizzas.
Is it good? Good. I can't wait to taste this chocolate covered strawberry.
Can I show them, Pat?
Well, yeah, I mean, when we're home. Oh, that's right. If I get a red light, I'm gonna try to sneak a bite. Oh, and tomorrow I'm meeting Mr. Craig and Miss Ashley at the church. I think at 6:30. Because we need to get in, remember that storage closet they have in that school area?
Uh-huh.
We need to get in there to get stuff for the weigh-ins next week.
I still really like when the Blizzard says the school closed and snow day should bring your
I
mouth.
wonder if mine says
It's really funny. I think every Blizzard does, actually. Yeah, it like almost tastes the same as an Oreo McFlurry.
That's good. I'm glad you like it. Make sure you ain't making a mess.
I think the Oreo pieces are a bit bigger.
Oh, yeah, I'm sure, because Baskin Robbins has really good ice cream. You know?
Ah.
You alright?
Yeah.
Don't tell me you're spilling stuff. I'm gonna get upset. But don't get any of that mess on my seat. You sure you didn't when you dropped the lid?
Yeah, I don't feel my own ice cream. So that's good. I know you had a Blizzard before from Dairy Queen. A royal treat.
Okay, am I gonna get this red light or is it gonna turn green? Just want to take a little sippy sip, bite, bitty bite. Oh. Alright, you ready?
Yep. Sorry, it said 20% battery remaining. Now I had to
Alright,
slow
ready?
battery.
Ready?
Do you like it? Can I hold it and try bites?
Really good.
I want to try bites.
Put yours in the cup holder.
Yep, I did.
Put the lid on it. Okay.
Sure want to try a couple bites.
Get a piece of the chocolate, Charlie. It's really good.
Can I have a different spoon?
No, just lick your spoon off and then put it in there. How is it?
Hold on, let me try a bite. Good.
Alright, put the lid.
Now,
Alright, here. Hurry up.
one more bite.
Alright, hurry up. Take your spoon.
That was at least a tiny bit good. Not that good. I like strawberry. What?
Lid.
Oh, lid. Yeah, I like my Blizzard better than Mom's. Is it okay if I like my Blizzard better than yours?
Of course, sweetheart. My goodness.
Oh.
What's wrong?
Maybe the car's going too fast. My phone's I'm having a few issues.
No. As long as you don't spill that Blizzard.
Yeah,
Alright. Oh, there's an ambulance. I don't know what could have happened with all those police officers still there.
Yeah, look, guys. I wonder if the Oreo Blizzard is popular.
Huh? Oh, probably. I would bet it is.
Yeah. I can't believe I'm trying a Blizzard for the first time. It's already so good.
You know what else is good?
What?
Boston Market.
Boston Market?
Oh my god, their chicken. Oh my god. It's
Oh, God.
I've only been there once.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think just once. Oh my god, I don't know why I've never been back. It's so good. Oh. And their cornbread is so good. But yeah, their chicken is so flavorful and moist. Oh my goodness.
Thank you. Happy tastes good.
You need to listen to what I'm saying.
Alright, mouth. I think it's time it should snow. next time I have dessert, I'm gonna get another Oreo Blizzard. Like, this is like...
Look up here. It's an ambulance. There's cops. What's going on up here?
This is one of the best treats in my life.
Are you hearing anything I'm saying? Look, something's going on up there, I said. Got an ambulance going. Cops are blocking the street up there.
Yeah.
See, look. I'm not trying to chit chat with you anymore.
No.
You're almost as bad as your father.
No.
He gets so upset when I want him to stop watching his show just to chit chat. And you're just recording away. No one's paying attention to me. Well, whatever.
Yep. Happy tastes good.
I hope this guy's turning and not going to get in front of everybody. Because that's dangerous. That's a turn lane, Joe Blow.
Yeah.
Okay. That could really cause an accident.
Yeah, it could.
I've seen too many people flying up this turn-only lane just to get right in front of somebody. It's ridiculous.
Yeah.
Scoop, Scooby-Dooby-Doo. See, look, Chavis. Don't even get me started about that.
What?
Dad's company, old company, Chavis. Dump truck going by now. You gotta not get upset about things you can't control. But I have such a hard time remembering that. I gotta get around this bit. We're going too slow for me.
It's like snowing in my mouth.
I'm very curious as to what happened downstairs tonight. You know?
Oh man, I'm almost done. Hold on, Blizzard.
Hold on, mister.
That was a really good Blizzard.
I'm going.
But I'm done.
I'm going.
At least I had a really yummy time.
Did you eat it all?
Yep.
Are you serious? You're done that whole thing already?
Yeah.
Seriously, are you?
Yeah, I'm done.
Wow.
What? It only took about like 10 minutes.
Yeah, right. Holy heck. Oh, look at those dogs. Oh.
Oh yeah, I loved it so much I couldn't help it.
Oh my gosh. I'm just like, what?
Why?
Here,
Why are you surprised?
Put this trash with that. Thank you.
But why are you surprised it only took 10 minutes?
That's like such a short amount of time, sweetheart.
Well, loved it super duper much. Oh, hey, where am I gonna put my water?
You got the lid?
I hate to say this, but I lost the lid.
You gotta find it. Now you got two back there, probably more from the past. You better look around and find the darn thing. Shannon. Come on. Because you know what's going to happen now, right?
What's going to happen?
I'm not going to let you have anything to drink back there because you're always leaving your trash in here. You lose it. You hear me?
Yeah. guys so much for watching.
Because he's getting in trouble now.
Thank you guys so much for watching. So we're again, I just can't say it. I just can't. Oh, let's hurry up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel, everybody.